What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you've seen in my previous stories on Instagram and Snapchat, I got my hands on a palette I've been trying to get for like ever, and it's always sold out. And it's the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm super excited. This is the first time I ever try this palette, so I'm very excited to see what looks this palette brings. I'm a little scared because it is some really bright neon colors, but I tried it on my arm. They're off the hook. They're unlike any other colors I've ever seen, so I'm really excited to work with this. So hope you guys enjoy this video. First color is Candy Floss. We're going in with Fresh Meat and apply it to the corners with a fluffy brush. Now we're going in with Root Canal. Look at that color! Smoking it out with Coma. And now we're cutting the crease with concealer. For the inner corners of my eye, I'm going to apply Cavity. Going with Candy Floss, I'm going to combine both colors by blending them horizontally. I'm using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. And I'm using my HD Studio Photo Finish Concealer from NYX. Now to bake, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And this is what happens when you're hearing the Cardi B album. This is the Dior highlighter. It's one of my favorites. Well guys, this is the final look, and this is using the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. I gotta say, I'm 150% satisfied with this palette. There was times that I would just dip it a little bit, put it on my eye, and I saw like it was way too much, so I would blend it. So that's really good, meaning, you know, the less you use, the more you get. So this product will last me for like ever. It's amazing. It's worth the $57, including shipping and handling. So if you haven't gotten it already, stay tuned. Keep on stalking Jeffree Star until you see the time and date he's gonna come out with it again, because that's what I did, and I'm so glad I did it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe.